What's going on, everybody? Today we are making chicken and honey cornbread waffles. Yes, you heard that right. Honey cornbread waffles. If you're new to the channel, I highly recommend you clicking that subscribe button. I don't want you missing out on any good content and good amazing food, so be sure to subscribe and let's get right into it. So first we're going to be making the honey cornbread waffles. Grab you some Jiffy honey, make sure it's honey, cornbread mix. I'm grabbing 2 boxes here because I'm feeding a village. Pour the whole content into a mixing bowl, container, or whatever it is that you can get your hands on. And start mixing. Break up all the little crumbs just like I am doing right there. Follow the instructions on the back of the box. It's really straightforward and you cannot mess it up, because if you do, I don't know what to say. Mix it all together. This is the consistency we're looking for, and we're going to pour that right into my amazing waffle maker. Oh yeah, I love this bad boy. So go ahead and pour that honey cornbread waffle mix into the waffle maker and let it do its magic. Once it gets done on one side and oozing out, flip it over and wait till it is done cooking. If only you can just smell the sweetness coming off this waffle right now. Definitely amazing. Next up, it's the chicken. So let's get right into it. Grab yourself a pot, a bowl, or whatever it is that you're going to mix your flour into. 1.5 cups of that. A few sprinkles and shakes of cayenne pepper or paprika, your personal choice, it doesn't matter. Next up, we have garlic and herb all-purpose seasoning. Sprinkle some of that into there. That's going to give it that nice aroma, herbaceousness, scent, and taste. Mix it all together. And here is the chicken thigh that I'm going to be using. Starting off by putting the chicken thigh into the milk, then right into the flour mix. Be sure to use a wet hand and a dry hand, and try your best to give it a nice even coat all around. Continue that step to every single piece of chicken that you have. Then with the leftover flour that you have, we're going to add some panko breadcrumbs right into the flour. Mix that all up, and then we're going to repeat the process, except this time it's back in the milk and right into the panko crumbs, which is going to give this a very crispy texture outside and a very moist chicken inside. But of course, if you're using dark meat, it's going to be juicy inside regardless, versus white meat. So here, nice and beautiful. Check out the palette. Everything's all battered and ready to be deep fried. I am excited. Let's get right into this ASMR time. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you chicken and honey cornbread waffles, drizzled with maple syrup and all that goodness. Be sure to subscribe. I'll catch you all next time. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up and peace.